Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from partsauto.com, and today we're going to show you where that fuel filter and the fuel pump are. Come on, follow me to the back of the car, because it's usually at the back of the car. What we have here is a set of fuel lines delivering the fuel to the injectors and then back into the fuel tank. These are fuel tanks. The fuel pump will be inside the tank itself. Those are readily accessible underneath the back seat. That's right, pull the back seat up. There'll be a big round panel. Pull that panel off, you'll see the fuel pumps. This is a modern day fuel filter right here. Nice and big, usually it'll last a lifetime of the car. But if you think you have a fuel filter problem, they're not that hard to change. One band clamp and a bolt for the line in and the line out. Make sure to change the little gaskets that go on each side of these bolts. They're usually little copper washer style that crush, but they need to be changed. They'll come with the brand new filter when you order a brand new quality filter from us. That's right, fuel filter, fuel pump. No problem, we'll get that gas going to it and we'll get you down the road again. Just give us a call if you need a hand, right here at partsauto.com.